Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a thank you page in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to start adding some extensions or plugins. So here I have my WooCommerce extension or plugin is added to my WordPress, and basically you can simply go to it, and after that we need just to go to extensions. So from here you can add these extensions, which is the custom thank you page. So just type the thank you page or thank you, and then you will find the custom thank you page, and this one would allow you to start creating thank you pages to your WooCommerce here. And after that, you will need to access your extension, and then it will be as follow as this. And basically, when you go to your product data, you will find an advance, and from there, you will be able to go and start adding your custom thank you pages as follow. So now you will be needing to start adding all the informations that you want to start having in your custom theme or on your WooCommerce, and you will be able to build the page or the thank you page. Another way to do it is by going to plugins, and then you can create or add this plugin, which is the Product X, that allows you to add many items on WooCommerce. And basically, we need just to go here and type product X, and from there we will need to add this plugin. So let's just wait for the page to load, and then you will need just to add these builders or these WooCommerce builders, such as WooCommerce product table and this product bundle builder for WooCommerce. And this one would allow you to start modifying from your code or on your product, and then in the checkout you will be able to start creating your own uh, thank you pages in WooCommerce. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.